Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to join the Temu affiliate program. First, open Google Chrome or any browser on your mobile or computer. Now search for Temu affiliate program and tap on the first link that appears in the results. It should take you to the official Temu affiliate page. Once you're on the page, you'll see a button that says Get £6 now. Click on it to start. Now you'll see personal invite link. You can tap to copy this link and share it with your friends, followers, or on social media. If someone signs up and shop using your link, you may earn a reward. Next, you can click on the Hot Items tab to check which products are trending or selling well. Promoting these items might give you better results. Then tap on Invite Affiliate to invite others to join the program as affiliates. You'll see that you can earn up to £25 for each person who signs up as an affiliate through your invite link. That's it, you're now part of the Temu affiliate program and ready to start earning by sharing links. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.